The idea of this new gate is really a calm water surface, and the drips of water comes in and make the rings repeat itself from the different locations, and then it creates a very peaceful surrounding. These ripples are repeated, different size, different location. It will kind of engage to one another to create togetherness. And during the day, it looks more like a covered entryway, which creates a sense of arrival to the people who comes here. Goes through the tunnel made of water ripples. At night, it will be lit, and that will create even more dramatic looks to it. And then that really create a very nice gate overlapping to each other. So you're going through the tunnel to come into this facility.